This is the kasp 16070. This is actually one of the harder padlocks I've ran into lately. This has an 11 out of 15 security rating, 5 mushroom pins, and a paracentric keyway. To try to get into it, I'm going to use the Law Lux in the top of the keyway, 39 thousandths, and the Moki standard slim. So nothing on 1, something on a 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feels good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see. 1, and 2, 3. There's 4, 5 set. That should be 3. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 4. So 1, 1, 2, something fell. 3, 4. And that was 4 or 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't know what's not set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, and it's open. So yeah, that took a little long, but the mushroom spools in that thing kind of really come into play, and it's not really the easiest lock to open. Off camera, in a better angle, I didn't have that much trouble with it, but I'm just gonna leave it and post the video.